Hey guys, this is John with Block 4 Wrap Up, which I guess is also the course wrap up, which is pretty crazy. I don't know about you guys, but definitely went by quick. Hopefully, it wasn't too rough on everybody. So, to start off, just like to congratulate everybody. Everyone worked super hard, did a fantastic job, turned everything in, and had amazing communication throughout this process. And with that, especially with all the COVID 19 going on, definitely didn't make it easier on anybody, with a lot of extenuating circumstances throughout with particular people. There was also a tornado in the mix with all that stuff too. So, and a couple deaths with all that. So, not the easiest timeline for everybody, but you guys stuck through, rallied, and came out with amazing posts and amazing discussions, which I greatly, greatly appreciate. So thank you for all your hard work. And along with that, I also want to thank our TAs, Anthony and Matt. You guys both rock. Um, you made my job so much easier, providing very good discussion with on the boards, grading, communication, and then within they also have to do videos throughout the process too, and provided great videos and feedback within um, the people in the fellowship as well. So shout outs. We got quite a few people that this was their first management course. It always makes it a little interesting in the first block, and then because some people will take information and get a little defensive about it, and some people will take information and will rally behind it, and everybody took that information and soared and just did fantastic. So Irene, Jacob, Griff, Lacey, and Maria, congratulations on completing your first management course. On the flip side of that, we got Austin, Ben, Connor, and Marcus who completed their fourth management course. So they are officially done with their management courses. So congratulations to all you guys. A little bit of housekeeping. Just make sure that all the assignments are done, which everyone's done with all their posting. A couple people just still have to take the quiz. Remind me to take the course survey at the end too, which is just underneath the block 4 section there. Remember to be nice to your instructor. I heard he's a little sensitive, so be nice. And then lastly, make sure to copy and paste any of the articles that you want from Dropbox or within the discussion boards for future reference. On to this week, or this block's information. Great job on the videos. Everyone did a fantastic job. The interesting thing is there's 20 some people in the class, and hardly anybody had the exact same video, which makes it way nice for myself and Matt and Anthony to have to watch them, and it's not 20 of the same exercise over and over. So a lot of variability, which is awesome. And great job with a lot of the discussions on progression and repetitions and phasing and all that. So fantastic. Remember to load the tendon. It's not all about the stretching. We want to put some weight bearing through that tendon, which makes it a whole lot more functional, right? For ankle ligamentous CPGs, your B ranking was for manual therapy, and then you get A ratings for therapeutic exercise as well as loading and the training phase. For the heel pain, stretching, manual therapy, foot orthoses, and night splints, as well as some taping work well with that as well. For the patient case, treatment approach. So remember, throughout this process, you want to find your asterisk. So you got your subjective, your objective, and your functional. Perform your trial treatment to be able to test the hypothesis that you thought you had initially. If that works and you get significant improvement, and significant improvement to me is about 50% improvement or decrease of 2 on the NPRS, and then provide a home exercise program. So if you perform your trial treatment and there is not significant improvement, you have to go back and try another trial treatment to see if that improves. Make sure that you're using clinical reasoning throughout that process. and we're thinking what could be on that short list of what's on the hypothesis list to be able to perform your trial treatments. When doing your trial treatment, I always, as best as possible, try to use the functional asterisk. Most people, when they're coming in, aren't coming in saying, you know what, I have 3 degrees less of dorsiflexion on my ankle, and I really like that back. They're saying, no. Hurts when I walk, hurts when I go up and down stairs, make that better. So if that's due to limited ankle mobility or strength or whatever, try and get that. You're going to get a lot more bang for your buck in that aha moment when testing your or using your functional asterisk during your trial treatment. But otherwise, that is it. You guys are done. Congratulations. Fill out that course information at the end. Download any information that you need. And feel free to contact me throughout, whether it's 6 months, 6 years, or 6 days from now. I'm here to help you guys out throughout the process. The guys that are on the fellowship, the guys that are going through their the rest of your management courses, please reach out if needed. Otherwise, again, thank you. Congratulations. You guys all did amazing. Good job.